let's take a quick trip to Peru. And the grammar bite is the difference between ser and estar. Perú es un país maravilloso, único, colorido y cautivador. Peru is a wonderful, unique, colorful, and captivating country. Este hermoso país está ubicado en la parte central y occidental de América del Sur. This beautiful country is located in the central and western part of South America. En Perú está uno de los lugares más increíbles del mundo, Machu Picchu. In Peru, there is one of the most incredible places in the world, Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu es una de las maravillas del mundo. Está en el departamento de Cusco. Machu Picchu is one of the wonders of the world. It is in the department of Cusco. Otros lugares impresionantes que están en Perú son la montaña de los 7 colores. Other impressive places that are in Peru are the Mountain of the 7 Colors, la selva amazónica, the Amazonian Forest, el Parque Nacional Huascarán, the National Park Huascarán, Puno, Ica, Nazca, and Lima. Además, la cocina peruana es extraordinaria. Es una de las mejores del mundo. In addition, Peruvian cuisine is extraordinary and is one of the best of the world. Now, let's see what's the difference between ser and estar. Ser is used to describe, describir. Ella es pequeña. She is small. Perú es un país grande. Peru is a big country. Or, we use ser to talk about the origin of someone or something. La nacionalidad o el origen de algo o alguien. María es mexicana. María is Mexican. Ser is used also to talk about characteristics. Usamos ser para hablar de características. Juan es amable. Juan is friendly. Perú es maravilloso. Perú is wonderful. And if you are talking about the time, you have to use the verb ser. Son las 10. It's 10 a.m. Also, if you talk about occupations, use ser. Si hablas de ocupaciones, utiliza el verbo ser. Peter es doctor. Peter is a doctor. And finally, if you are talking about relationships, si hablas de relaciones interpersonales, usa ser también. Él es mi papá. He is my dad. Now, let's see when to use estar. When you talk about the position. Cuando hablas de posición. El niño está parado. The boy is standing up. Now, use estar to talk about the location of something or someone. Mi casa está lejos. My house is far away. Perú está en Sudamérica. Peru is in South America. Also, estar is used when referring to progressive actions. Usamos estar cuando nos referimos a una acción progresiva. El niño está jugando. The kid is playing. Or when we talk about a physical condition. O cuando hablamos de un estado o condición física. Lucy está enferma. Lucy is sick. And we also use estar when we talk about feelings and emotions. Usamos estar cuando hablamos de sentimientos y emociones. La niña está feliz. The girl is happy. Now it's time for a grammar challenge. Choose the correct answer. Ready to see if your answer is correct? Here you have the correct sentences. If you like this video, subscribe and support us by buying us a coffee or by getting $5 membership to have access to exclusive videos like this and great material to learn or boost your Spanish every month. All in the links down below in the description. Chao y hasta el próximo Spanish Bite.